After you've got OneDrive installed, launch the app, and it brings you to the most recent document screen. If you'll click the camera icon at the bottom, it brings up the OneDrive app scanner. Aim at an item, take a picture, and if you have multiple pages, you can press the plus sign at the bottom left and take another picture. Plus sign. Then when you're finished, click Done. You can name it. And misspell it. Click OK. And it will upload the file. Once the file is uploaded, it may take a few moments. It should be here on your file screen. You can click on it to view it. As you'll see, then you'll see the 3 different pages of the items that you scanned. And when you're ready, you can share it by clicking up in the top right corner, the little square with an arrow pointing out the top. And then enter the name of the person you're wanting to send it to. Click their name. Add a message. And then click Send. That's it.